silly, right? That's awesome.
What was that?
Ready?
Yo.
You gotta do like this and you gotta hold your mouth and then go. I did it. I gotta do it too. Okay. We really love Justin Bieber, not Timberlake. Bieber. See, his hair is like perfect. And then his eyes are so pretty. And he's so sexy.
Here comes the lecture.
And he's so pretty. Okay. But anyways.
I've heard it like
You've heard what 10 times? You've heard what 10 times?
There's lecture on Mexi Justin Bieber.
Well, it's true. You can't just change something that's true. Okay. So, comment. Or we'll find you. When you smile,
I couldn't find her mouth.
Oh,
She can't sing either. Oops. Lucky.
Okay,
See
excuse
how
me
messed up
while
I'm being?
I go and kill
Oh God.
this girl. Okay, love you, Justin.
Bye. Please don't kill me.